As an engineer, your job is to design the next great innovation. But once designed, you face the reality of manufacturing. How do you manufacture the part in the first place? How long does it take to get the part, and how quickly can you iterate if needed? And how do you manufacture the part at a quality that's sufficient for serial production? My name is Murphree. I'm the Vice President of Technical Partnerships here at VELO 3D. And today we wanted to talk to you about how VELO 3D is helping engineers and companies realize their innovations. During the design process, there is a constant tension between optimizing for performance and maintaining manufacturability. Do you redesign the product, losing performance in the process, to fit your existing manufacturing solutions? Or do you look for something new? The problem with using traditional manufacturing is that those processes often dictate the design of the product. If you're using the same manufacturing processes as your competitor, the parts face the same constraints and can end up looking and performing similarly. But if you had a way of eliminating those constraints, you could maximize the impact of your innovation. With VELO 3D, this is exactly what we offer. We provide companies with the geometric freedom to manufacture the optimal geometry for your application. Our support-free processes have pushed the limits of metal 3D printing, unlocking a world of new designs that are now possible.
From the start, we wanted to use additive, and we were talking to existing vendors. We were told that we could print any angle as long as it was 45 degrees or higher. And for the gas path, for the airflow through a gas turbine engine, that 45-degree angle will disrupt the flow, and it doesn't really lend itself to an efficient engine. So we were constantly being told that we needed to redesign to fit the 45-degree angle. And the VELO platform was the only platform that we ran into that we didn't have to redesign our part for it to be printed.
Time is also a critical factor for successful innovation. Innovations make the biggest impact when they're timely, so being able to shrink the timeline for getting the right part is a huge value. Getting parts manufactured with traditional casting, brazing, welding, and other multi-step processes can cause development cycles and iterations to drag on. And if the part is novel and challenging, many 3D printing companies will also struggle to manufacture it. This leads to months of iterations, design, build, test, until you get the part just right. With VELO 3D, you take the advantage back. With our library of standardized support-free processes, you get the ability to print virtually any feature or geometry that your part and application demands. Our flow software applies the correct process to successfully print each individual portion of a part geometry, eliminating the need for part-specific development. It is truly a generalized solution for successfully printing the highest quality parts. And since we included all the parameter sets needed and we standardized them across printers, you can choose to purchase a printer or leverage our network of contract manufacturing partners, all with the same result, a successful print. So now you have the ability to make your part, and you're able to make it quickly through a Sapphire that you own or our network of contract manufacturers. How do you know that it meets the quality standards that you require for your application? With our Assure quality control system, you get the confidence that the printer was in control throughout the entire print.
Assure helps us drive down production variation, improve yields, and better understand the factors that lead to consistent build-to-build and part-to-part additive manufacturing.
With VELO 3D, you can make better products faster at the quality you need. So what are you waiting for? Contact us at www.velo3d.com.